Another home, another tour. Welcome to our very first #MJDC Recommends! First on our list, Amaresa Marilao. Here's the top 5 reasons why you should choose Amaresa.
Reason number 1, prime location. Amaresa Marilao is located in Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Very accessible ang location nito. May dumadaang bus at jeep going to Manila and Quirino Highway. In just 1 hour, makakarating ka na sa Metro Manila. Plus, malapit ito sa major establishments tulad ng hospitals, schools, churches, and markets. Convenience? Check!
Reason number 2, modern and fully finished homes. Kung naghahanap ka ng stylish yet moving ready na bahay, Amaresa has got you covered. Modern contemporary ang design at fully finished ang turnover dito. Naka-tiles, paint, and partition na. Gamit na lang ang kulang.
Reason number 3, trusted developer. Amaresa is developed by Red Oak Properties, trusted and established developer. After the success ng kanilang ibang project gaya ng Amaresa 1, Amaresa 2, Centrina Calamba at Centrina Lipa, kaya makasigurado ka na quality homes ang ibibigay nila at hassle-free ang turnover ng unit mo.
Reason number 4, high-end man, flexible, and light ang payment terms natin dito. Meron tayong option na 24 months to pay sa ating down payment for pre-selling. For ready for occupancy naman, meron tayong option na 3 to 6 months. Plus, guided and assisted ka pa namin at ang developer. No stress, just excitement.
Reason number 5, high-end, secured, and resort-inspired amenities. Tahimik, secured, at social ang vibe ng Amaresa. With resort-inspired amenities, you're not just buying a house, you're buying a lifestyle.
At kung gusto mo malaman kung paano maging homeowner dito sa Amaresa, message mo kami. Tutulungan ka namin magkabahay.
This is Crystal Lera,
Jel Morado,
Grant Joseph Sorbito,
EJ Reyes.
Tara na and experience class, comfort, convenience dito sa Amaresa Marilao.